is such a critical part of women's health being ignored? Just 20% of OBGYN residency programs provide any kind of menopause training, and nearly 80% of the medical residents admit that they feel barely comfortable discussing or treating menopause.
The mood swings, the night sweats, the migraines, all of these things converging, and no information and no community.
Literally, it was like somebody put a furnace in my core and turned it on high.
Did your life change once a month because of your period?
Did your life completely change because of menopause?
Still using pads?
Still getting hot flashes? Let me tell it to you straight.
Some women have a type of menopause that solely affects their mood. Maybe they don't have a hot flash, but all of a sudden they're anxious, they're depressed, they're insomniacs. They don't know who they are anymore.
Just taking the time, being your own advocate. We don't have to go through things alone. We can really talk about it with people and our friends and not suffer silently.